why is centripetal force needed? Why are we even talking about centripetal force in circular motion? Okay, if you recall one of the things that I mentioned for centripetal forces is that as it rotates, let's say you have a test tube, okay, assume you have a test tube that's smooth with a ball here. Now, as you move the test tube, as the test tube rotates, okay, to different angles, because if there is no centripetal force to turn it towards the center, the ball here will tend to want to move in a straight line according to Newton's first law. But eventually it will not move here because it will hit the end and then it will move along. Because why? The end of the tube is able to provide the normal contact force that provides that centripetal force. It exerts a normal contact force that provides that centripetal force. Okay, if not, it will want to move in a straight line, tangentially. Okay, that's why you swing, it starts to move in this direction. The same thing happens here. Okay, so here I got something to show you all. I bought from IKEA. This is what we call a salad spinner. Okay, so basically inside you place salad after you wash it. That's if you eat it. I bought it not for eating, I bought it just for physics. Okay, and then as you turn, you can see it functions like a washing machine. What happens is now I have some cloth here, right? Okay, that just now I went to add water, so they are all wet one. Okay, so I just put it inside. I can't think of a better one to use, so this one will be like washing machine. Okay, so if I turn this thing at high speed, it will not be totally dry. Okay, because I cannot turn at 1,200 revolutions per minute. Okay, but what you can see is that if the cloth is wet, but I can see carefully, right, that inside there's quite a fair bit of water, you can see. Yeah, and that came because as this thing rotates and this thing turns, okay, it is able to exert a centripetal force on the cloth, which is bigger than the hose. So the cloth will be able to move in a circular motion. But the water molecules are smaller than this hose. So if they are just nice at the hose, right, they will not be able to exert a centripetal force on the water. So the water will tend to want to move tangentially out and out onto, for washing machine, then you'll filter out lah. Okay, for here it's actually just outside here. So this is a salad spinner. It works the same manner. For salad, it works best because the cloth can absorb the water inside, but salad, the water is on the surface only. The leaf doesn't absorb the water inside. Doesn't really. You can see the amount of water that is like, yeah, it was dry just now. You can see the water.